Good morning. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a college morning routine. I thought it'd be fun to take you guys in my morning, kind of do it vlog style so you guys get to see more like in detail and a more realistic view of my morning instead of just like me faking it. I just woke up. I'm not kidding. A minute ago, like 1 physical minute ago. Just turned my alarm off. Oh, it's so bright. It's 8:11 right now. I'm really tired. I fell asleep at like 2 a.m. so I'm exhausted. I'm going to the gym today, which like don't think that's like a normal thing because that like has never like once happened yet. But my friend's going and I asked to come with. I want to sleep at bail, but it's mean. It's so comfy. But yeah, I've never once gone to the gym. We're going at 9 and I don't know if that means like be downstairs at 9 or like get there at 9. Start getting ready soon. I set an alarm for 7:30 and I was like, at 7:30 I changed an alarm to 8:10. I really have to pee right now, so let's turn the fan off. I look like a crackhead. Oh, I didn't get that mascara off my eye when I washed my face. 8:23. It took me a little bit longer to like do these things when I'm filming, so that would have normally been quicker. I made sure no one was in the bathroom when I filmed, so don't worry. Wait, I need to pat my back. Did I already pat my back? I think I already did. My skin has been really bad, so I went to the dermatologist and he prescribed medication. So this is the stuff I put on in the morning. I don't know if I'm like allowed to show it. Like this is not me like prescribing anything. Yeah, this is what I use in the morning. In the mornings, like I said, this is my first time going to the gym. Normally I would not film a morning routine on a day that I do something out of my routine, but I was planning on filming it today and then the gym thing just kind of happened. Normally what I would do is I would get out of bed, go to the bathroom. I wouldn't brush my teeth or wash my face, which I know is gross, but then I'd go back to bed and then I just start like going on my phone or doing some schoolwork. I get really bad FOMO, so it's really hard for me to be in my room and do schoolwork because a lot of the times I'm like, I want to be, I live in my sorority house like as a little background, so like there's 40 people that live here and I'll be like, I want to be downstairs, I want to talk to people, I want to do this, I want to do that, and then I'll like procrastinate schoolwork. So a lot of the times when I wake up in the morning I like to just start it immediately so I get a lot of it done. I'm probably gonna do schoolwork after I'm done from the gym, hopefully, unless I get FOMO again. I never go to the gym. I'm like proud of myself. I considered canceling today, but I also lost my favorite chapstick. I have no idea where it is, so I have zero chapstick with me like at all. Like and my lips have been really chapped, so I've been using the Josie Marin argan oil as chapstick. I literally could not think of anything else that would hydrate my lips slightly, a little bit. I don't know if I'm allowed to like eat this, like if it should be on my lips. If I like accidentally like not eat it, but like if it gets like in my mouth, like in my body, like will I die? I don't know. I hope not. Okay, I'm gonna take out my hair and put it in a ponytail. Oh, also I dyed my hair brown. Surprise. It's like not really brown. It's like more dirty blonde. I try to dye it brown, but I didn't want it to look bad with my roots. I'm naturally pretty bright blonde. Whenever like blonde people dye their hair brown, the blonde grows back. I feel like in my opinion, the roots kind of make it look like it's gray because it's like dark hair with like light roots. Not what I wanted. I wanted something that'd be like something I could keep for a really long time and like not have to touch up on. So this is about as dark as we could go before that happened. My hair is really poofy right now. I always sleep in a bun and I regret it every morning. You would think I'd learn how to do that by now. I don't really like my ponytails like as tight as like JoJo Siwa because a lot of people think I look like her, so hair up. Got an announcement from my bio class 11 minutes ago to remind me to do my online test. Also, does anyone else's mattress topper like fall off their bed? These beds are actually smaller than a twin bed normally is, so like my mattress topper is like a lot bigger than the bed is, so like it always slips off. We're gonna go pick out some outfits. Most of my clothes are dirty, so I don't really have anything to wear. I could wear these. And then should I just wear like a black top? Where's the ones that tie? Is this the one that ties? Yeah, it's the one that ties. I don't know if I want to. These ones kind of make me look chubbier. Let's wear this. This is from Fabletics. Okay, it's not gonna be a very matchy outfit. I'm gonna put it on and then I'll show you a little outfit of the day. Oh, I should also take my necklace off because I hate exercising with necklaces because they get like sweaty and I think it's just like gross. Oh, and this shirt's also from Runway and so are my pants that I'm wearing right now. Okay, so here's my outfit. Not very cute. This is like up my... So these shorts are from Fabletics. I really like because they have like this high band, so they're pretty high-waisted. And they have built-in Spanx instead of built-in underwear. I prefer the black pair of shorts to these. Whatever. And then this top is from Old Navy. They actually sell like Fabletics ones, but this one's from Old Navy. And it like... Oh, okay. Let me see my back fat. It like opens in the back and then you can like tie it. My sports bra is from Fabletics, but I washed it with color, so now it's kind of faded. Okay, now I need shoes. I want to put some more argan oil on my lips because they're chapped again. This is so in detail of my morning. I hope you like it. Me trying not to show you all my big little baskets. Got it. Got you. These were my tennis shoes that I got for PE in 8th grade, and they're still the best shoes I've ever had. They're a little bit small on me. I mean, I was in 8th grade, now I'm a sophomore in college. They're the best shoes that I've ever had. They're not the cutest. These are the socks that I wore to bed, and one is taller than the other, so it kind of looks stupid. Now I'm looking for my AirPods. Not in here. Oh, my Apple Watch. I should put her on. AirPods. Argan oil. This probably does nothing for my lips at all. I just feel like I need something on them, and I lost my one chapstick that I owned. Do you know you have like a makeup chapstick, and you have a backpack chapstick, and you have a car chapstick, and you have a purse chapstick? That chapstick turned into my like traveling chapstick. Like it turned into everything, and I don't know where she is. Deodorant. Yeah. This video has turned into get ready for me for the gym. This is a cute angle. 8:35. Turn my lights off. Save the earth. There's still ice in my hydro. Turn the lights off. Open the door. See you later, bedroom. Hello. Hi. I don't like to work out on a full stomach. I think it makes me feel sick, so I'm not gonna eat anything before. Also, my hair is not curly, but from like the little thing, like the bun that I had, it makes it look curly. The shuttle is so loud. Stop that. You want chocolate? I have a lot of chocolate in my room. That's okay, I bought dark chocolate for almonds so that I can like... Isn't that healthy kind of ish? I look like an egg. Do you want to be in my video? You're just being you, and you're cute. Okay, a little bit later, it's 11:10. So I was downstairs, and I was just talking to a bunch of people. I marinated some chicken for lunch or dinner. I didn't show that because like raw chicken is gross, and I was like, I don't want to show that. I did that, I talked to people, and then I was like, no, I need to do work. I need to be productive. I have so much I need to do because we had Monday and Tuesday off for fall break, so today feels like Tuesday, but it's Thursday. So everything is due today and tomorrow, and I have not done any of it because it doesn't feel like it's due. I'm gonna wash my face. I was going to shower, but I think I'm gonna shower tonight. I normally shower at night anyways, and I know that's gross, and I'm gonna smell really gross, and I know that, and I'm disgusting, but I think I'm gonna spray tan, so I like just don't want to shower twice in one day. I feel like that's really annoying, and I don't really have time to do that. I kind of think I'm just gonna wash my face, maybe like wash my body with a makeup remover, so I'm just like wipe down a little bit. Like that's gross, but like gotta do what you gotta do. I think I want to change into my pajamas, and then I'm gonna start working on some schoolwork. Okay, now I'm back in bed in my pajamas. I'm super comfortable. I like to do my homework on my bed. I don't know, I just do. I just feel comfortable. Normally I like wake up in the morning, go to the bathroom, come back and start my homework. So my mornings normally start like now. So like everything that I did minus the gym, everything I did earlier just kind of like doesn't happen most days. My only class is at 1:30 today, but most times I have class at noon or at 9 a.m. So this is like a little bit of a later. I have more time on Thursdays to like have my morning routine. That is why I went to the gym and did all that stuff. But again, like I said, normally I don't. I'm just gonna go in bed. I have my laptop and then I have my planner, and I normally just like to see like what I'm doing. So I just have a bio quiz. Okay, I'm just like looking at it, sorry. So I thought I didn't have to do this, so I crossed it out and I was like, never mind, but it like keeps telling me that I have no access to it, so that's really weird. Right now, what I'm probably gonna do is my bio quiz. So let's open her up. Look how many fingerprints are on this, disgusting. Just finished the test. It didn't go so well. Did better than other people that I heard. Wait, did better than I heard other people did, so that's good. Also, check out my bats. Just thought I'd share. Science is not my best subject. It's never been. Kind of getting stuck on all of this because I didn't really do it. It's 11:41, so I have about an hour and 20 minutes before I leave for my class. I never get ready for this class, ever. I think I wore makeup to it once. It was weird. Normally, I will just go downstairs and eat breakfast, but I already ate breakfast, but it wasn't a very big breakfast. Carrots is not a full meal. They won't fill me up, but I had a lot of water from working out in my stomach, so like I was pretty full from that, if that makes any sense. So I'm like fine right now, but like I'm in the mood to eat. I don't know if anyone else feels like that. Now I need to get dressed for the day. So I'm trying to decide what I should wear. Most of my stuff, okay, this is gross. Most of my stuff is really dirty because I have a lot of stuff and I've been procrastinating a lot, and I kind of want to rewear this shirt, but I wore it yesterday. So I mean, I have a lot of clothes, but I feel like I don't want to wear any of of them. I just want to wear the stuff that I've already worn. I just want to feel lazy because I never look cute for this class, so why start now? Oh, I could wear, yeah, no, I know what I want to do. My new white crop top that's wrinkly and some leggings like I do literally every week. I got this crop top because I own a bunch of like white crop tops and I wanted more because I don't own 7. I want to be able to wear one every day of the week. Do I wear a sports bra or do I have my bralette? Let's see. My bralette's dirty, so I guess we'll wear a sports bra. Okay, see you in a second. Okay, this is my outfit. My ankles are like really cold. I don't think I like this shirt. It's like really see. It is 12:48, which means it's like the afternoon now, so it's no longer morning. I don't wear makeup to my classes most of the days because I'm just too lazy. I hope that you guys liked my morning routine. If you did, let me know. I guess, I don't know. Subscribe if you guys aren't already because I have some fun videos coming up. Follow me on Instagram. I used to do a lot of giveaways over the summer. Yeah, I just like giving back to you guys. Follow me on Instagram for some giveaways possibly in the future. Let me know what you would want me to give away. I'm gonna go to class. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!